Today we are reviewing Vitamix VM0197 Explorian Blender Professional Grade 48-ounce container in black. With 10 variable speed control setting, you can refine the textural expression of your dishes from the most smoothest purees to the heartiest soups with the perfect amount of culinary precision. It is easy to layer coarse chops over smooth purees to create healthier dishes like chunky salsas and thick vegetable soups if you use the pulse feature. With the 48-ounce container, you are able to blend small batches for small meals for your family. Cutting blades measuring 3 inches in diameter are used to ensure a consistent blend every time. This product has an electrical rating of 120 volts. It is designed with aircraft-grade stainless steel blades which are capable of handling the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results no matter what you choose to use. Vitamix machines are self-cleaning with just a drop of dish soap and warm water. Your Vitamix machine can be cleansed in just 30 to 60 seconds. In the box, you will find the following items: mortar base, 48-ounce container, mini tamper, and a cookbook. This was review for Vitamix VM0197 Explorian Blender.